Senate Democrats brought forth a bill that would ban marketing e-cigs to teens. Yeah, that's a concern. What's next? Ban the marketing of Mountain Dew to the elderly? These idiots did this to protect the children, but perhaps they're really protecting the billions in tax dollars they get from real cigarettes. Boxer claims that e-cigs profit from addicts. No, they profit from quitters.
It's like banning alcohol-free beer.
Yeah, exactly. Because it's about public health, but they're actually enabling the death of people. So what do Dick Durbin, Richard Blumenthal, Sherrod Brown, Ed Markey, Tom Harkin, Barbara Boxer, and Henry Waxman have in common? They're stupid. I'm sure you knew that, but now it's conclusive. They want to ban e-cigarettes at the Capitol. Yep, they feel that e-cigs are no different than regular smokes. Notice how I said feel and not think. Yet they admit they have no research to back this garbage up. Hence, our new villain is secondhand water vapor. Mist. I guess it's time to rethink teapots and saunas. Better not steam your pantsuit, Miss Boxer. Think of the children. Even CVS, they're banning cigarettes, are getting rid of e-cigarettes. And they're comparing it to secondhand smoke. This is just beyond stupid.
So you try to ban Nicorette gum then?
Yeah, exactly.
It's really annoying. I mean, people who chew gum with their mouth open are way more annoying than people who smoke e-cigarettes.
You can get secondhand chew from that.
Secondhand chew.
You ban this, you should ban teapots and clouds. So you want to know the reason for the ban? City Council Speaker Christine Quinn said, quote, because many of the e-cigarettes are designed to look like cigarettes and can lead to confusion or confrontation. So let me get this straight. Laws are being created based on the cluelessness and confusion of stupid people. A dope's emotional discomfort is now more important than actual medical facts? I'd say this is nuts, but someone might be allergic. Private enterprise creates a solution to a problem. Government destroys solutions.